Hi guys, welcome to this video. I'm so excited to be doing this video. You guys, I'm testing out one of e.l.f.'s brand new products. These are the e.l.f. Halo Glow Beauty Wands. I've got the contour, I've got the blush, I've got the highlighter. I'm so excited. These just came out yesterday and I went to the store, picked them up. They were at the very first Ulta I went to, thank goodness. We're gonna be trying these out. I am so excited. This is the Halo Glow Beauty Wand Contour in the color Tan Deep. And this is the Halo Glow Beauty Wand Blush in the color Berry Radiant. This is the Halo Glow Beauty Wand Highlight and I got the color Liquid Gold. You guys, I should not have gone in store. I should have ordered it online because I went in store and I spent so much money at Ulta, but that's okay because that means more videos for you. I've got like a base of makeup on. I used, of course, the e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filter and then Revlon Illuminance Skin-Caring Foundation. Let's zoom you guys in so you can see what I'm working with. Of course, I primed before and I just look a little flat. We could enhance the look more, show our cheekbones, show our jawline. That is where this baby comes in. You know how there's that trend on TikTok where you just want to look like a beauty filter, or at least try it out and see if it's going to work for you, and you put like the dots and stuff all over? I want to do an application like that. You could really do it with these really precise applicators. The very first step is to do something that's polar opposite of my face right now. Right now it's very one-dimensional, it's kind of light. I'm going to add the darkest color I have for my contour, and I'm just going to put that on just like it says to add it to my temples. So I'm going to do here. My jawline is pretty angular. I don't really need this there, but I do like it on just below my cheekbones and at my temples. So that's where we're going to put it today. It says, a natural looking sculpted complexion is yours with a wave of this contour wand. That was so easy, guys. It's exactly where you want it. My cheeks look so snatched. They look so snatched. Well, my one cheek. Okay, let's blend this in right here. It's like the Charlotte Tilbury wand, but way more affordable, you guys. It's so nice. It blended like it was like a powder. It was just like so easy. I don't use cream contour and or bronzer much. You don't have to be nervous if you're nervous about using them. Is it gonna be messy? Like, no, it's not. I would actually use this. Let's go ahead and move on to the blush. Super cute. Love the thin packaging. Fooled you. You thought I put it on like that, didn't you? No. You've got to go very, very slow. I totally get it. My face is small. Like, a little bit of liquid goes a very long way on my face. My favorite way to apply blush is to the apples of my cheeks because it helps to round out my face. So we're just going to do a dab. I want to use my ring finger so badly. Okay, so we're just going to spread it to the other side. I thought I got a lot. No. So easy. What? Oh my gosh. e.l.f. It's like foolproof. My foundation has not moved. Like, my foundation is still there. I put powder over my foundation. The products don't move my foundation around. And do what you're going to do anyway. Like, you've still got to set the products. You know what I mean? So it's going to blend. Like, these are the most blendable, like, liquid products I've used in a very long time. I have two very favorite parts to put highlighter on, you guys. A dab on my chin. Oh, I know this is going to be so nice. And then some on my nose. Should I do a little on my eyes? I don't have so much going on in my eyes, so I'm not going to put it on my eyes at all. But you guys, this is going to be so pretty. I just know it. Okay. It's like giving you the glow, but it's subtle enough for the subtle girls. Okay, wait, let me add a little bit of bronzer around the tip. All right, so in order for this to stand out, we're just doing a little bit of the contour around my nose. But look how easily it blends. It was looking a little dark, and now it isn't. The two work together really nicely to give a little bit of lift to the nose. This is cute. So I think they look super natural. They don't look over the top, too shiny, too glowy. They look really, really beautiful. If you love this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm going to be testing out a lot more drugstore and high-end makeup on this channel. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.